everyone, and welcome to today's Palmstreet video tutorial. Today, we'll be going over how to make variants on the Seller Hub on Palmstreet. For those who don't know what the Seller Hub is, it's a desktop version of the app that allows you to go over analytics, orders, shipping, listings, and lets you message buyers. While most things available on the Seller Hub can be found in the app, variants are only available to be created while you're in the Seller Hub. So, what are variants? Variants are different versions of the same listing. They allow you to create one listing and then have multiple styles of a product in that same listing. A common example of a variant is different sizes of a t-shirt. Some other different examples could be different colors of a lipstick or different lifestyle stages of plant growth. And then there's also many benefits to variants on both the seller and buyer side. You can simplify your listing to include all the variants in the same listing. That way it's easier for you to manage your shop, easier for you to look at how much inventory you have, and then it's also easier for the buyers to be looking at the item, seeing if it's something they want, and then finding exactly what they want. If it's a t-shirt, they can find the right size right away, or if it's not in stock, they'll know that right away instead of having to search through all your different listings in the shop. So, next, we're going to go into the Seller Hub just to learn how to create variants. When you access the Seller Hub, you'll be taken into this login page. There are two different ways for you to log in. The first way is through a normal app login. You can look at the email, Apple, Google, or phone, and then it'll either take you through a password or two-factor authorization. The second way, however, is through a QR code. Go to settings in your app, and then in the top right-hand corner of settings, there's going to be a QR scanner. Scan the QR code that's shown on this page, or the page when you actually log into the Seller Hub, and then you'll get a confirmation on your phone making sure you want to log in, and then you'll be logged in. When you first access the Seller Hub, you'll be in the My Orders page. For this tutorial, we're going to go into the My Listings page right below it. You can find the different pages on the left-hand side of the screen. So now that we're on this page, we can actually go over how to do variants now. So to create a variant, you're going to want to create a new listing. So let me move this bobble here, and then you can see this new listing button. Click the new listing button and create a listing as normal. Down here, you can see the Variants tab. Go ahead and click Add Variant, and then you can put in the name of the variant. We're just going to say Test for this one. And then you're going to add in the different values of this variant. This is going to be what types of things are available. So if this is a t-shirt, you're going to want to put in small, and then you're just going to hit enter and then do the different sizes. Each size should stay in this value button, or each color should also stay in this value button. That way, all your stuff is available all together. And then you can also create other variants. So you have the first one, so this is going to be either a small or medium t-shirt, but guess what? You have colors available. So what colors could someone purchase in this t-shirt? Could they purchase blue, red, different colors? So then you can keep adding variants to get what you want for that specific item. And then once everything is filled out, you can go down here a little bit and you can look at the different variants available down here. So for your inventory, you have two variants of the small, two variants of the large. What are going to be the price points? And what is the availability of each of these variants? So for the price point, you can change it based on the size. If you have a specific color that you don't have in stock very often, you can raise that price a little bit. Then you can also choose the availability of the different specific items. How many do you have available of the red and small? How many do you have available of the blue and small? Stuff like that. And then once everything here is ready, and after everything is ready with the actual listing as well, you can go ahead and hit create. And then to edit variants. So to edit variants, you're going to go ahead and click on the listing that has variants. We're going to do this listing right here that's already been pre-made because we have 3 variants available. So click on the listing, and then on the left-hand side here, you're going to get a screen that has all the different things about this order. Click Manage, and then click Edit. This is going to take you to that same screen that you just filled out, but it's going to allow you to edit the different variants. So you can edit, change if you need to change the color or what the variant is, and then change all the different shades available, sizes available, stuff like that. And then you can also scroll down and change pricing and the quantity available. Once you're done with all that, click Update. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Palmstreet support in the app for help. As always, make sure to request any future video requests that you would like to see in the future, and then happy selling!